gentlemen, today we will be playing Ultimate Chicken Horse. Ultimate Chicken Horse. Dance, 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 dance. It's really not that epic, though. Where to?
I don't know. Is there any merch anywhere?
I like the merch. The merch made me happy.
Merch is good.
Aww. Then the PHP
No merch, huh?
Oh, how sad.
Very sad.
Okay, let's go to Pyrammodo.
Okay, let's do it.
Pyramid. So Egyptian. This is absolute epic game, I feel. Right?
It is indeed. Alright. I'm gonna make a little jump off point over here.
So what you do is probably... So what I'm planning you to do is you do that and you get eaten into the void. Yeah. Something like really not even cool. Like that. Haha.
Alright, let's do it.
This is the art. Oh?
Yeah, that eated us into the void, that's for sure.
We didn't want that. Chaos.
Okay, let's try again.
Okay, that was, I guess, a bit too into the void.
This could be the little
Catcher.
catcher or whatever, yeah.
Like, oh, no, you can't die. You know, it's very fun to die in this game. So that thing eats you there, and there's just this like door saying, no. To be there for fun.
Why is there a medieval castle in the background?
Yeah,
It
we're
says
golf
3.
course.
We're in a mini golf course. I see.
Then how little are we?
Yeah, that's funny.
We must be like microscopic,
I don't know.
right?
Not a lot of dangerous things around.
No. I'm surprised. I thought everything was so dangerous and deadly. Oh, now
So
that's
up the danger
right
ranking.
And let's just put in some fire because everybody loves flames and pyrotechnicians.
Sure.
Is that even a word, pyrotechnician?
Yep.
I think it is.
Someone who does pyrotechnics.
A pyrotechnic?
Yeah, like fireworks.
Yeah, but I'm a bit of a pyrotechnician. I think fires. I mean, I don't launch fireworks, but like, I like fire.
Sure.
Fire's sick. W in the chat for fire, everybody. Everybody type W in the comments for fire. W fire.
Plant a little punchy plants to punch you.
We love plants that give beatings.
Whoa.
Ooh, this is dangerous.
Whoa.
Big chaos.
Barely escaping the black hole. How was that too easy?
That was not too easy. Oh my god.
Well, clearly what this pyramid needs is a hockey player.
Yeah, you know, hockey pyramid. That's like what every pyramid should have. Hockey pyramid.
There we go.
See, that's cool.
Oh, what am I doing? Immediate beeline for the barbed wire.
Oh my god, this game's such a good game. You regret that, don't you?
I have so many regrets.
You should regret that. And you do. Well, evilness in my eyes.
Oh no, is that honey? Oh, crazy. You made the whole thing rotate. Oh god, there's a hockey player after me.
Oh no. It should be like a little like test dummy who does it.
That'd be
You
funny.
go like boo 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 and beep beep boo. He doesn't go like that. Oh do 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 no 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 no. Hum hum humbuggle. Let me just.
Oh. Wasted by your own spinning buzzsaw.
Petard.
Petard. Chameleon wins.
Chamlon.
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
Chamelon.
Chamelon? It looks like chamelon. Got it?
Something like that. There's still a secret level we haven't unlocked. Ooh, a merch.
What? A secret level?
Because it says 20 out of 21 levels unlocked.
Oh yeah, I know. Or I could. Oh, the merch. The merch.
Maybe the merch is the level.
The merch is probably the level.
Can merch be a level?
Yeah.
Okay.
Merch can
Nice.
be a level. Obviously. Right. That's how you get the levels. Duh. I mean, I guess how would you know that? Stupid water. I'm not even in my way.
And we're totally stuck. Goodbye.
Sweet life.
Off to the trees.
Off to the deep dark forest. When
Alright.
we
Let's
dark
try this.
grim reaper.
Oh, maybe we
back.
could combo the cannons.
Oh
So
yeah,
if we did
like
like this.
DK.
Very, yeah, very
Okay.
Donkey Kong
Put that
Country
there, put that
energy.
there, put that there. And then you go poo poo.
Yeah, that might miss. Let's see.
They kind of are just weird trajectories.
Yeah. Look at you talking about trajectories.
Yeah, I'm an advanced.
Okay, that was not so good. Oh no, the trajectories make sense! Yeah, the trajectories definitely make sense.
Trajectory to death.
Yeah. The trajectory right to the inferno.
Let's slow down time because everything now is better. I mean, I guess that is kind of slower the better.
Let's get some good old-fashioned Canadian hockey around here.
Canadian hack. I love my maple syrup. And now, if you were wondering, Canadian people don't go around holding maple syrup or axes. But if you're a lumberjack, you probably might hold an axe
Sure.
around.
You might even do the log driver's waltz.
You might.
Yeah.
The log driver's waltz. You all hate me for putting that
I
there.
don't even think it'll do anything, will it?
No.
It definitely will? Okay.
Definitely will. Click, click, click. Boop, boop, boop. Ah. Wee.
Uh-oh. No!
Wee! Elephant mammoth though.
Oh, very nice. A stylish mammoth.
Elephantes. I love elephants. Don't be in the shop for elephants.
Yeah, elephants are great.
I just love elephants.
They like piano music, so I respect them for that.
Piano ain't even cool.
Piano's not even cool, man. What have I been doing with my life?
Piano isn't even cool. But now that'll shoot you up more. Up more.
Does that break the decay effect? I wonder.
No, it does like the decay effect. What do you mean?
It might.
It'll all walk out.
You test it. Perfect.
It just makes it shoot up a bit more. Oh, were you going forward when you shot?
I don't know. Was I?
I didn't.
Hashtag confusion.
Hashtag confusion. Hashtag confusion. A good hashtag. I love hashtag confusion. It'll not break the DK donkey for a fact, right?
I don't know. We'll find out. I didn't know you could pivot their direction.
Man. DK donkey. Deacon's donkey.
No. Did you live?
No, I
Or
lived.
post-mortem?
No, I lived. It hit me after I did it.
Oh, come back and the double coin to
Come
tie
back.
it up. Come back. You're the comeback kid.
I'm a comeback kid. Is
Wait,
that
wait,
how you
wait.
die?
I think it's like
comeback?
an 80s thing, or it's a song, or I don't know.
Comeback kid. That sounds like the most boom bad thing ever.
There's a really good,
Oh,
like retro wave song called "Comeback Kid."
no retro wave. Woo woo.
You're crazy.
I sure am.
Bye bye. Oh no, that was kind of impetuous. Just
What's
charging into the
impetuous?
flames. Impetuous is like just kind of recklessly charging into
Okay.
situations.
Okay. Didn't know what that meant. Impetuous. 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 The switch cheese. I really just want a cannon. You got too hard of an eye.
Apparently.
Blow it up!
Did you just destroy a coin?
Yeah.
That's against the law, you know.
It is? Oh yeah, it is.
Destroying currency. You're a criminal.
You know, chicken horse that is.
Oh no.
Oh.
Lamb kebabs over here. I got a tiny amount of points for making you a lamb kebab.
I'm gonna turn you into one. I'm gonna turn you. What do you call chamon? What do you call cook?
Would you turn it into meat?
Yeah.
I don't think there's a term for that. Fortunately, people
Cooked
don't eat furry
chameleon.
chameleons.
Cook chameleon.
I would fight someone if they
Yeah,
tried to eat a chameleon.
yeah. Don't hurt chameleons. I don't think many people fight chameleons or eat chameleons. Fighting chameleons.
I mean,
yes.
Mega Man fights Stink Chameleon.
Yeah. Maybe on like the Mega Man video.
Oh no, why did I do that? Mistakes were made.
The blade took me into a fire and I died.
Oh. Wait, what?
Why do we just get achievements?
Why did we just randomly get Brotato achievements?
We're not playing Brotato.
We're
I'm
literally
playing
not
Ultimate
playing
Chicken
Brotato.
Horse.
Is Brotato just running in the background somehow? That would be pretty funny.
That would be pretty actually.
And we actually somehow won a run.
Without
Like maybe it's taking our controller input right now. They're
that
just
would
playing
be
Brotato.
so funny.
That would be pretty funny.
Oh my god.
We'll have to check.
That was hilarious.
Maybe that's what happened.
Hootie hoo
Oh, I
hoo.
forgot there was fire raining from there. There's always fire. Everybody loves fire. For some reason, I became the narrator of Peppa Pig.
Oh, good. I thought it was Daddy Pig. And we're not here
I think
for
it's
Peppa
probably the
Pig.
same voice actor, to be honest.
Poor Daddy Pig. He always being people always saying he's
They
fat.
kind of bully Daddy.
Yeah, they do bully Daddy Pig. They do bully Daddy Pig. Leave poor Daddy Pig alone. He's just a little pork chop.
Yes, there we go.
You sound like Daddy Pig of that.
There we go.
What?
What? There's like fire raining from the sky and they're trying to tell us it's easy.
That ain't no easy thing.
No.
I think you're kind of crazy if you say that thing easy. Snipe. Whatcha? Whatcha?
Oh, it does not solve one.
Nope. It'll all be fine.
It'll be
Don't
fine.
worry
I'll
about
let you be the test subject. It was very fine. Very fine indeed.
I shot my dead body away. Oh, that was really fun.
We lose.
You lose. You win.
Nope. No winners. No points. Oh, okay. They just randomly resurrect me to dance.
No, just whoever at the end has most points
Oh.
become a winner. Goodbye.